Ron Nelson. The two of us have worked on the teams that developed the BX25 magazine as well as the Takedown 1022. The latest thing we worked on was the new BX trigger. It has a light 2.5 to 3 pound trigger pull, very crisp. It'll fit any 1022 that's ever been manufactured. It's very safe. It has passed all of our drop tests and every safety test that we do. It comes with this dry firing block, which holds all the pins in, so you don't have to worry about them falling out, as well as blocking the hammer, so it allows you to dry fire and try the trigger. Because it comes as an entire unit, you don't have to take all the fire control components apart. You can just take the trigger guard out of your 1022 and replace it with this. And Ron here is going to show you exactly how to do that.
Some simple tools you'll need is a 5/32 driver, ball head, hex head, whatever you prefer. Plastic hammer, a small punch. Make sure that your magazine is out. No ammo required for this exercise. Remember to always keep your muzzle pointed in a safe direction and use good firearm practice. What you want to do is turn your firearm over, take your driver of preference and loosen the takedown screw, which unscrews. You don't have to take it completely out. Now you want to center your safety here so you don't damage your stock. If you leave it one way or the other, you're going to tear the inletting, and that should pop right off just like that. Next thing you want to do is just roll it over. Let me get the stock out of the way so you can see. So you rest it on your guide rod and you just start your pins right out. They should pull out after. This is your secondary ejector. Make sure that stays in the slot when changing it out. You can remove your chamber indicator. Todd, could you show us how to take that out of the package?
If you look here, there's two ears. They hold the dry fire block in place. If you separate them a little bit, you can pull the whole thing off, and now you have your unit.
And it's very simple. I like to put it up in this presentation so your pins don't slide out. Make sure your secondary ejector is in place. Slide it up in, turn it on the side. Take your two pins and your stock. Just take it the same way it came on, or off rather. Pops right on. Just snug it up. Now you want to check your function. Put it in a safe position. Doesn't fire. Put it on fire. Fire. This time, hold back on your trigger, cycle the bolt, and you should hear it sear up. There. That's a defined click. And you can put your chamber indicator back in. You've just completed a trigger guard change for this style.
Now, if someone has the standard carbine, that would have a barrel band on it.
Correct.
Now, what should the customer do to take that off when they remove the stock?
Again, you don't have to completely disassemble it. You use a appropriate size slotted screwdriver, loosen it up, and gently slide your barrel band off.
So there you have it. That's the new BX trigger from Ruger. It's a light 2.5 to 3 pound trigger. It's very safe and is available online at shopruger.com or at your local firearms retailer.